flight in the night took off from Goa airport around 11:30 or so, and after going 74 nautical miles, pilot detected there is a problem with the engine. So he turned back and landed safely at Goa airport, and the passengers were sent by the another flight. This passengers were swapped from one flight to another flight, and one of the flights, which was Goa Bangalore at 2:20, that flight was cancelled. Now, as far as this incident is concerned, this is the incident. First of all, it is not a Neo engine; it is a different engine, and this engine probably developed some snag, some problem in it. They landed back safely. The most important thing to remember is that what I am hearing from all the sources is that there was a panic. Yes, panic is bound to happen with the passengers who are traveling in there. But basically, all these aircrafts are designed in such a way that they can fly back to the destination or divert to a new station with the single engine also. So, in case there is any problem with one engine, the other engine is capable to carry them to the other destination. So, accordingly, that flight landed from 74 nautical miles back to Goa on a single engine. So the aircraft has been parked, it is grounded. Indigo engineers are working on that, and hopefully by today evening or by tomorrow afternoon, this aircraft will be back to the flying position. This is what is the ground situation as of now.
Fire incident ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
We have been told that Indigo has told us that there was some technical problem with the aircraft. We have not seen any fire or no such report has come to us from Indigo. They have not filed any such report with us. So what have been conveyed to us is a technical problem with the engine.